But
Filipina.
your
I'm
friends,
Indonesian.
no, sorry.
Oh, my
Your
friend.
friend, is he
My
from
friend is
Philippines?
too young for you.
She have a girlfriend.
Can I see your friends?
No,
I want
you
to
can't see her.
Why?
She is married too. Just like what you
Married.
said.
Married.
Sabi niya
Okay, no
marriage.
problem.
Kayot ba?
No, it's okay, no problem. I want to see your friends. Even
No,
he's married.
I don't want you to see my friend because she's married, just like what you said before.
Married.
Earlier.
Your
Married.
Marriage
friend is
yang
more
bag
beautiful
atik-atik
than
ra kan
you. I
ilong
got
dara.
that. Your friend more beautiful than you, right?
I don't care if my friend is beautiful than me, bro. Do I need your talks, ha? Oh my God, don't talk. Kabalo ko, ginagara-gara na ako para siyang gigon ganin na ba nga naging siya married na. Oh.
What
Huwag
did
niyo
you
kong
say?
ginaganyan, ha?
Oh,
I know.
Don't be upset to me. Don't be
I'm
upset to me,
upset.
okay?
I'm upsetting to you.
Oh, sorry.
Tama ako ano ba? Kaya kabalo ko.
Boss, I have a question for you. So I mean that's
Yes, I have an
Looking
answer
for-
for your question. What is
looking
it?
for boyfriend there in Philippines is so difficult to looking for boyfriend there. Why? Your friend, you said that he has married. How about you? Are you still single, right?
Yeah, I'm still single. Why? You have problem with that? I know. I'm not single because I already have 10 boyfriend.
10 boyfriends?
Yes.
Oh my God. You
Oh
are
my
fly
gosh.
girl.
Oh my gosh.
No, you are fly girl. You are fly girl, right? 10 boyfriends.
What do you mean fly girl? I'm not fly. I don't fly.
You said that you have more than 10 boyfriends.
I have 10 boyfriend, but I don't have wings to fly.
Okay, wait.
Ina mo ning bataan.
No. You say everything. You say everything about you, okay? I know information. You have more than 10 boyfriends, okay?
Yes,
No
I have
one's
10
good for
boyfriend.
you.
Bro,
Oh,
for real,
I
I'm not.
gotta go. I thank you. I gotta go because it's sweet. Okay, the last comment
I'm
from
not
you.
lying. I'm telling you the truth.
Thank you.